What are we doing?
We are going to refill up their food and make sure the queens are still in the hive.
Oh.
Wonder where the inner cover is.
Jokes.
Ooh, they're thirsty.
Where's the hive beetles?
You better get off. Get off. Come on. Hive beetles. These are hive beetles. We don't like these. We don't want them. Get off.
Are you gonna check the hive?
All right.
Ugh.
Sorry about that. Well, we know that they're strong because when the better they glue the hive, the stronger they are. Got some. They're pretty calm. They're chill. They're not attacking us. Hey, can you move, please? It's hard to grip with gloves. I don't know.
Ooh, that's a lot of babies.
Okay, so queen's been busy. So the queen won't be on this frame because there's no place to lay eggs. So she won't be on here. Oh, pollen pocket! Pollen pocket!
That's a lot of babies.
We got some little uncapped babies here. You can see the little larva. You can see pollen pocket. Hey, keep it on. You see pollen pockets. Oh, look at all these larvae here. That means that the queen's laying.
Very nice.
So she is still in this hive and giving us some nice calm babies.